I think they might be winning.
Yeah, I think they're beating them right
Da, 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 ba, ba, da.
now.
Ba, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba,
You're
ba.
also way closer to them, you know? They look bigger.
If we get closer, then they look bigger. Turn around.
Oh, but I also like that one. Like that one better.
How you doing, Phoebe girl? You having fun?
I'm not cold.
My bad. Excuse me. I'll just go jump off the boat.
Oh, someone else joined the fireworks battle.
Oh, all right. We got something new over here.
Squiggly lines.
This was crazy.
Okay, I think they're winning.
I think the right side is waiting for them to do their finale, and they're gonna go.
Look off the back.
I want to see.
Another cameraman. Okay. We had to wait the camera. Whoa. Whoa. They're winning, I think.
Who?
I think they're winning. I think they're winning the finale right now.
Right now.
Yeah, because
Okay.
they haven't done theirs yet.
Oh,
Their finale.
There's a lot of different colored lights on these
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
boards.
Look at that. All right.
Oh my god! WWE, this should have been for John Cena. They did do fireworks for John Cena's retirement. Oh! Why does that sound like when a car is slowing down? That sounds like a car when it slows down.
Make that noise.
That's it. Sounds like a gunshot, but it's not. But
Seems
it's
like
actually.
business was good this year.
Robert, listen to it, Rob. Do it, first.
Wait, me?
All right.
What? Dude, the ice show speed bark. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Something
Oh!
else.
Oh,
they're doing
dang. What the? Well, this is crazy. I wish there's more fireworks, but there's some on that side, right? But there's a lot on this side.
Look
Yo.
how pretty.
Let the car take off in the water.
Firework battle. Whoa.
Yo! Alright, he's winning. Got
They're
him.
going pretty hard.
He's trying to win. That side's trying to win. No, the left is trying to win.
All right.
Guys, I don't know which one.
Oh, for now.